Everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not working on the application of Chatbot AI Nova. You will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search for Nova app. Here you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.